Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Prices of all categories of fuel will decline effective tomorrow. A liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for 25 cents less. Diesel, ultra-low sulfur diesel and kerosene will also fall by 25 cents. $1.09 will be shaved off the price of propane and $1.62 from butane. And on the international scene, oil prices dropped by roughly 2% to a 12-week low as investors grew more concerned that energy demand might be impacted by a probable global recession. Brent futures for September delivery fell $2.08 to settle at $100.69 a barrel. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude WTI fell 97 cents to settle at $98.53 a barrel. And back home, GraceKennedy says the merger of two of its local manufacturing divisions is near completion. The company is merging National Processors and Grace Food Processors Canning. The combined operation has been named Grace Food Processors. Andrew Wildish assumed the post of general manager of the new company on July 1. 5 patents were granted by the Jamaica Intellectual Property Office JIPO in 2021. 75 new patent applications were filed during the year. That was 18 more than in 2020. 57% of patent applications received were in the pharmaceuticals category. And some news regarding the banking sector. Few Jamaican dollar transactions were done at point-of-sales terminals in 2021. By the end of the year, the volume of transactions fell by 3.3% to 47.4 million transactions. However, the value of transactions increased by 10.3% to $789.5 billion compared to 2020. And further afield, U.S. job openings fell less than expected in May, still pointing to a tight labor market that could keep the Federal Reserve on an aggressive monetary policy path as it battles high inflation. Job openings dropped 427,000 to 11.3 million. It was the second straight month decline after openings hit a record high of 11.9 million in March. May was the 6th straight month of vacancies in excess of 11 million. To the currency market now, it's costing an average $151.82 for the US dollar. $118.74 is the going rate for the Canadian, $181.86 for the pound, while it's costing an average $157.49 for the euro. The JSE index fell by 489 points today, while the junior market index gained 49 points. Among today's winners were SSL Venture Capital, Epley 7.5% preference shares due 2024, CAC 2000, Caribbean Cream and Fosrich, while on the losing side were Everything Fresh, Knutsford Express Services, JMB Group's 5.75% cumulative redeemable preference US dollar shares, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, and MPC Caribbean Clean Energy. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Stay with us. The regional and international roundup is right after the break.